Welcome to our channel. Here are 6 healthy smoothie recipes that can support your weight loss goals. 1. Green Goddess Detox Smoothie. Ingredients: spinach, cucumber, green apple, lemon juice, celery, ginger, water, or coconut water. Blend all ingredients until smooth. This low-calorie, nutrient-dense smoothie is great for detoxifying and aiding weight loss. 2. Berry Protein Powerhouse. Ingredients: mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, Greek yogurt, almond milk, chia seeds, protein powder optional. Blend berries, yogurt, almond milk, and protein powder for a protein-packed, antioxidant-rich smoothie. 3. Banana Nut Delight. Ingredients: banana, spinach, almond butter, unsweetened almond milk, cinnamon. Blend for a creamy and satisfying smoothie that provides healthy fats and fiber. 4. Tropical Paradise. Ingredients: pineapple, mango, coconut water, spinach, chia seeds. Blend tropical fruits with nutrient-rich spinach and hydrating coconut water for a refreshing treat. 5. Oatmeal Cookie Smoothie. Ingredients: rolled oats, banana, cinnamon, vanilla extract, Greek yogurt, almond milk, ice. Blend oats and other ingredients for a smoothie that tastes like an oatmeal cookie while providing fiber and protein. 6. Chocolate Banana Protein Shake. Ingredients: banana chocolate protein powder, unsweetened almond milk, spinach, ice. Blend for a chocolatey, protein-packed smoothie that can satisfy your sweet cravings. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video in thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe my channel